All right, guys. So we're back.
Did you laugh I started the video after you get the
Ball?
fidget spinner a couple times?
No. No. It's recording right now. So basically, if you didn't see, oh God, you got snow off me. But we were just smashing a. Oh, that sounds weird. But we were destroying a fidget spinner. We destroyed a fidget cube too, and there's like pieces everywhere.
And now
Like, there's bearings, there's all the pieces. Yeah, there's like pieces of the fidget spinner everywhere. And we're joined with our neighbor.
Hi. Whoa, my God.
So, this is just a normal, like, I don't know, part 2 to the, destroying the fidget spinner. And now Jake is, like, destroying the bearing.
Oh, yeah, this is good.
What? Jake should be the one behind the camera. Yeah, you're good at recording. Just don't. Oh, here, record that. You're the cameraman. Hi. There's a pencil. Jeffy's pencil. Oh yeah, I remember when he found this pencil and just destroyed it. Cause that pencil doesn't.
Oh yeah, he did.
Fail. 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 X for the win. Wait. If you guys want to go follow me on Snapchat, there it is.
Yeah.
And if you want to follow me on Instagram, oh God, there it is. What? That's my Instagram. And that's my Instagram and Snapchat. And so right now we're just gonna, what are you doing? Hang out. Yeah, we're just doing like a normal vlog. Since usually we never do that. Wait, no, flip the camera back around, like. Alright. That's good. Should we put it right there? Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah.
That's just fidget.
Bucket! Alex, what are you doing?
Whoa, my God. This is how we came up with the idea of breaking.
We were just destroying this fidget cube since it was already broken. Then Jake's like, how about we just destroy the fidget spinner? And I told him, well, there's some fidget spinners that we like. And he said, let's just find one that we don't like. And we just found one and destroyed it.
That was amazing. Oh my God. Jake! LeBron! It's the water side! Whee! It's mine.
Basketball!
That's the water, but this ball thing, right there. And then it's kind of...
All right, guys, so,
Oh, God.
right now, they're doing something weird.
With a piece of wood, look.
Ew.
Oh.
Where's that big old straw? There it is! Don't even know what this thing is. Let's put it right here. Jake.
Why?
Hey. Oh, pff.
Whoa. Let's go. What are you doing?
Shut up. I forgot about these little bearing pieces. Like these pieces that belong to the fidget cube.
Oh, God.
Spinning! Oh, crap. You suck at bottle flipping.
Oh,
I remember. Wait, Alex, let me bottle flip. You broke some. Alex, stop. I want to bottle flip it. No, throwing that.
No.
Jake, no, those aren't actually for playing with. Dude, stop, put them away. Bottle flip. Here, Jake, can I do a mega bottle flip with your bottle? All right, you said that's a yes? Whee! All right, stop, Jake. No, these things are actually pretty expensive. There's your water bottle. It's getting beaten up. The lips, look at the eyes, the hair. This man, by the name of Bob the Builder. This is Bob the Builder. This is Thomas.
Train.
That's Thomas. This is Bob the Builder. What'd you do?
Whoa, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Or. Yeah, you're right. This football is pretty flat. I said flat. I didn't say fat. Down to me. It's hard to catch. It's hard to catch, especially when you're holding a camera.
I can do it.
Catch that. Oh, you suck. All right, so the cameraman by the name of Jake's right here. He's supposed to be the cameraman, but he's not. There's the ball. He wanted the ball. Take the ball. All right, take the camera.
Wait, should I go ask if Alex can come in?
If Alex can come in?
Yeah.
Well, what are we doing inside?
I don't know.
All we ever do is play Xbox. Come on, Jake. Dude, don't peel the glass off. Don't peel that off.
It's not glass, it's plastic.
Ah!
I'm blind for a moment. Bounce, tuning down, tuning down.
Wait. Who sent me? Who are these people? Oh, I think I know who this dude is. What? Okay.
I can do it, Joe.
What do you want to do? Instagram. There's like this. I don't even know what this is. I don't know if you guys can see it. All right, so we're gonna what? No, Alex, we're going inside. You have to ask your parents.
My brother, maybe. Yeah, my brother. Why are we going inside?
I don't know. Jake wants to. We're probably gonna have to do 3 parts to this. That's weird.
Okay, we put this. Wait, Joe.
Set it in the grass. Set it in the grass. No, put all that in the grass. No. No. Well, go ask your parents, dude. I'm just going to be waiting in the house. Oh, God, the brightness gets so bad. Oh, gosh, that was horrible. Dude, it was like pitch, like the brightness.
Wisconsin.
Oh. Jake, some people already know that we live.
Oh, no.
Yeah, we live in Minnesota.
Yes, we do.
But
And that's why there's snow over here.
well, there's snow in Wisconsin. But we don't live in Wisconsin. But later, we're probably going to take you on a little trip to Wisconsin because we're going over to our grandma's.
Tonight.
Yeah. I don't know what that was.
Alex is coming.
Oh, get the door. Get the door. I'm not near the door. Get the door. All right, so Jake is going to get the door. Did he ask?
Yeah, I said yes.
There's Jazzy.
I told everybody that we lived in Wisconsin.
we don't. We live in Minnesota. I'm not saying.
M-I-N-N-E-S-O-T-A.
What?
M-I-N-N-E-S-O-T-A.
You sound weird spelling it.
M-I-N-N-E-S-O-T-A.
Jazzy's following me around.
Who?
Jazzy.
The snails. The snazzer.
Snaz. All right, so here's Jazzy.
Snazzer.
She is a wonderful puppy. Hey, Jake, let's play 52 card pickup.
No, Jazzy can do it.
No, here, take the cards.
Okay, Alex, you want to play a game? And, okay, he's there.
Taser tag.
Yeah!
Taser tag. All right, tase.
Oh, God.
Tase. You suck at tasing.
Hey, Jazzy's it.
Why would you? She's an innocent puppy. Do you not see that face?
I got it.
She's so innocent. She did nothing. Oh,
You know what she did do?
what?
She became her dog.
Yeah, she became a little puppy. Hi.
It's just weird how she came out as a white, and she came out as a white puppy.
Yeah, she was supposed to be a miniature golden doodle. A golden doodle. She was supposed to be like gold and a poodle. Yeah, but she's more poodle than anything. She seems like a poodle.
Look, she's always
She's sniffing me for
She's
some.
always attracted to this one noise.
She loves that ball. All right, so let's go upstairs. There's not much time left that we can record for, Jake. We have to record to like a little bit. Eek, 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 eek. All right, so we're gonna stop this recording. And no, go over there. God, threw something. All right, so we're gonna stop the recording and go on to the next one.